Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two best SEO software platform in 2025, which is Tools and Mango. So let's get started. Tools in 2025 is built for agencies and marketing teams that need everything in one place. It combines SEO audit, rank tracking, link analysis, and keyword research with extras, link PPC reporting, social media metric, and a white label client report. Its biggest advantage is saving times on reporting and giving agencies a dashboard to manage multiple client campaigns without juggling separate tools. On the other hand, Mango is a linear SEO suite ideal for solo marketers, freelancers, and small businesses. Its tools like KW Finder, SERP Watcher, Link Miner, and Site Profiler are simple, visually clear, and budget friendly, yet still deliver accurate keywords data and a backlink insight. So here's the real conclusion. In 2025, choose the Raven tools if you need a broad marketing platform with a strong reporting for client, but pick Mango if you want an easy, affordable SEO toolkit focused purely on research and rankings. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Leave a date, turn on the notification button, and subscribe for more. Thanks.